First, a disclaimer. IniNote commenting currently only works on desktop computers in Chrome and Edge browsers, but we are working on allowing it to work on Safari and smartphones. If that's not your favorite browser, it's still worth thinking about to also install it for this use. The search functionality itself works on any modern browser. Now back to starting with IniNote. To install IniNote, simply visit the IniNote.com website. Now click on the Let's Start button. You will see the exact steps you need to take to install IniNote and start using it. To install IniNote, click on the link in the text. You arrive to the Chrome Web Store, and you will see the IniNote page. IniNote works as an extension, a little program that adds extra functionality to your browser, and the Chrome Web Store is where you can get this extension. On the Edge browser, you may have to allow your browser to use the Chrome Web Store first. Then you can install the IniNote extension by clicking on the Add to Chrome button. It will ask you whether you want to add IniNote Research to your browser. Click on Add Extension to add IniNote to your browser. You will get back to the original starting page, but you will see that the first item is already checked as done, as you have IniNote installed. Now you need to sign in to your IniNote account or sign up to get one. If you already have an account, just click Log in and sign in. If you are new, click on the Sign Up button. You will get a dialog where you can sign up with either your Google account or providing an email and a password. Here we put in an email address and a password, and we press the Sign Up button. The system will ask you whether you allow us to send you occasional emails. Either approve or disapprove it. In seconds, you get back to the original starting page with point 1 and point 2 already checked as done. Now you can watch the basic video about how IniNote works by clicking on the Watch Full Video link. This video will tell you the basics. If you want to know more, just click on the question mark icon wherever you see it, and you will go to the tutorial page of IniNote. Have fun!